Okay, so good morning guys. Andito tayo ngayon para pag-usapan kung paano kumita gamit ang internet at saka laptop natin. Okay? So pag-uusapan natin si Acadsoc. Okay, so bago muna natin pag-usapan yan, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-share, like, and subscribe. Kabal is para ma-inform ko po kayo sa susunod na notifications natin. Okay? So tara, pag-usapan natin. Okay, so pag-uusapan natin ngayon si Acadsoc. Ano ba ito si Acadsoc? Ito si Acadsoc guys is international company based in China na kailangan nila magturo ng English na hindi naman gaano siya kagaling mag-English kundi basic English lang naman. At kailangan nyo lang dito is pag-usapan natin yan sa mga susunod na mga uh, details. So, alamin muna natin sino si Acadsoc. Okay, si Acadsoc guys is academic society na based in Japan, based in China pala, sa Shenzhen, China, na may 10,000 English teachers and 40 million students sa China. So, Acadsoc continues to gain trust to the society of reliable English learning teaching platforms of the company branches extended to the Philippines, Hong Kong, London, and New York. So, global siya. Ang kailangan nyo lang dito is online educational partner, one-on-one na magtuturo kayo ng English na sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina na hindi siya masyado gaano kailangan kagaling mag-English as long as makapagsalita kayo ng English. So, ang mga estudyante dito is puro Chinese and global siya. Okay? So, kita nyo naman, ito yung Acadsoc is founded was 2011 and from Chinese and Imperial College of London. And pag-usapan natin yung careers ni Acadsoc. Okay. So, si Acadsoc guys is sinabi natin kanina yung home-based online English teacher na responsible na magturo sa ESL teacher lang, okay? So, kailangan nyo lang ng ESL, DSL, and of course, providing collection tips to the students and troubleshootings. At kailangan nyo lang may device requirements dito guys na laptop, PC at least Windows 7, and Intel Core i3 4 GB. Has a stable DSL, broadband fiber internet connection na 3 Mbps download at least. Okay, so kailangan nyo lang magkaroon ng noise cancelling headphone tsaka HD webcam. Yung minimum qualification niya is excellent in English communication. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, hindi naman kailangan talaga sobrang galing nyo na kailangan nyo maging call center na agent para magturo. Kasi yung mga Chinese guys, hindi na sila marunong mag-English din. And then, as long as tayo mga Pilipino, marunong tayong magbigkas ng English na basic lang, yun lang naman kailangan nila eh. And capable teaching K-12 and bachelor's degree or higher, kailangan nila yon, and must be 20 years old and above, able teaching from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday, and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. English teaching experience of certifications as TESOL are preferred. If you don't have one, Acadsoc will provide TESOL training for the certificate that you may qualify. A quiet, clutter-free, and well-split space in your home. So, available siya sa mga part-timers o di kaya sa mga nanay na wala namang gagawin sa mga araw na alas 6 hanggang alas 10 ng gabi. Pwede kayong mag-apply dito sa Acadsoc. And pag-usapan naman natin kung anong benefits niya. Ang benefits, what you can earn is the basic payment. Karamihan mga kaibigan ko dito nakakuha sila ng 90 pesos per hour. Okay, so that's 2 English class. So 25 minutes to 25 minutes, equivalent 15 minutes. And 15 minutes meron kayong 90 hours. Depende sa demo instruction nyo. Kung magaling kayo mag-demo and medyo mas higher yung bibigay nila sa'yo. Depende talaga sa demo yan guys. Kaya kung sa mga gusto mag-apply dyan, mag-YouTube muna kayo. Alamin nyo kung paano mag-demo na mas kukuha kayo ng at least 100 pesos o di kaya 115 pesos. Kasi pag magaling kayo mag-demo on how to teach English quiz. Yan, pagbabasihan nila kung um, magkano yung bibigay na rate sa inyo. Okay? So, meron din silang class completion bonus, perfect attendance bonus, online activity bonus, enrollment bonus, tsaka our top performing teacher earns 60,000 PHP. And besides, gets benefits also. Flexible, no traffic jam, work balance. And pag-usapan natin yung interview process. Yung interview process nila guys is yung basic info, online interview, offer join, then teaching training, demo class, TESOL certification, qualified. Kung sa tingin nyo medyo mahaba tong application process, nako guys, sobrang dali lang yan guys. Pinahaba lang yung sa demo dito sa nakikita nyo, pero in reality, mas madali siya kasi pagkatapos nyo magpasa ng application, automatic yung interview. Pagkatapos ng interview, demo na training. Pagkatapos ng training, demo. Pagkatapos ng demo, pwede ka na magklase. Okay, so sa TESOL certificate naman, hindi siya kailangan na meron kayo ngayon kasi meron silang sinasabing nagpo-provide sila ng sariling TESOL certificate nila. Kasi si Acadsoc is growing company sa China at lumalaki na siya. Hindi naman natin na maka-afford ng mga TESOL na yan. Ano ba yung TESOL? Yung TESOL guys is a certification para masabi nila na English teacher ka. And yung TESOL is galing from UK na English na bansa kasi nasabi na kailangan nila ng certification para makapag-apply kayo sa Acadsoc. Sa ngayon, hindi nyo kailangan ng certification na yan. Ang kailangan nyo lang is laptop tsaka internet. At pagkatapos nyan, you're good to go para mag-apply. Okay, so sa home, tingnan natin yung home nila. And makikita natin sa home is teaching online with Acadsoc. And advantages, nakita natin yung bonus awaits, flexible schedule, accessible resources, reliable support, cultures and fun, and grow with us. So they have 10,000 teachers and 40,000 million students around from China. And of course, they have Acadsoc story. Tingnan natin yung mga I'm a mother of 4. At first job made me I can manage with household and kids, but I realized that's my passion, so I think it's just a try. Afterward, found interesting is not just teaching the student but also learning with them. And then sinasabi ni Teacher IC. Teacher Payman, I've been teaching online for years now. It's my pleasure and my reward to see my students make improvement and progress after learning English with me. There may be some obstacles in the work and study, but there are things in life we have to overcome in our own choice. Yun yung mga testimonial ng mga teacher na nagtuturo sa Acadsoc. Okay, so yung FAQ, yung mga tanong na kailangan yung gustong makuha is what was the company established? Yung 2011 nga. Yung schedule is working schedule, flexible siya, and how much hourly rate, bonuses, depende talaga to sa guys sa performance natin, and what are the requirements, sinabi na natin kanina, what are the tools are you using. Yung tools na ginagamit nila is yung A-class, QQ, and A-class from class in, and what subject teacher, that is English only. Okay, business English. And do you have offices in the Philippines? Meron silang offices sa Quezon City, Ortigas, Iloilo, Cebu. And what are the requirements? Yun nga, yung laptop, yung bachelor's degree or higher, available for 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And quiet, clutter-free, and capable to teach English K to 12. How much hourly salary and bonuses? Yung salary nila guys is initially earn 90 pesos to 130 per hour. The hour rate company increases with your performance, and you earn a big bonuses per attendance bonus, class completion bonus, referral bonus, enrollment bonus, earn 60,000 per month. Okay, schedule sa araw-araw is meron silang 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. highly preferable, and you may also choose or open to 10 a.m. to 11 schedules from Monday to Sundays. Want to earn more? Plot as many classes you heart desire. Check booking with your TM and advice. Okay, so 11. And meron akong link sa baba guys kung gusto niyo mag-apply sa English Acadsoc teacher para automatic kayo makapag-sign in sa sa Acadsoc. Okay, yun lamang po guys. Sana'y nakatulong to sa inyo. And sa panahon natin ngayon, it's part-time natin pwedeng masabi. Okay? So, at least nakatulong to na impormasyon sa inyo. Salamat po guys. Sana ay nakatulong. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Kabalis. Salamat guys sa panonood.